Empathy mapping, tapping into consumers' buying behaviors, their cognitive side of how they perceive the world around us, products, challenges, options, and so forth. I love empathy mapping because you are trying to understand the user's feelings to inspire your campaign ideation process. What is an empathy map? An empathy map essentially looks at a couple of things. What your consumers think and feel, what consumers hear, what consumers see, what consumers say and do, consumers' pain and challenges, what consumers want to gain, so the positive outcomes, which essentially leads to more user-centered and effective campaigns. These are all the things that us as buyers, as consumers, constantly experience throughout life. What we think and feel. I feel overweight. I feel uncomfortable in my skin. I eat cereal in the morning and it makes me feel bloated. That's how I feel. What I hear from friends and family that I am living an unhealthy life. I hear, negative remarks around my weight, my skin condition. What do I see? I see influencers with beautiful skin, and they look a lot more happier compared to me. I see my friends going to the gym. They go out, they feel comfortable in their body. So I want to be like that. What consumers say and do, I say I want to be like that. I want to try and go to the gym. I do go to the gym to try and aspire to get to that. My pain and challenge is that I don't have time to go to the gym. I travel a lot. It's expensive to buy a membership. But if I get to losing more weight, the gain is that I will feel more confident in my skin. I'll get more compliments. I will sleep better and so on. So you can see how a mixture of all these things is a golden opportunity for you to, of course, ideate campaigns around a lot of these factors. If you do that, you can, of course, see how much more impactful your campaign ideas would be. So instead of just going for a typical national school desk day, right, which is fine, but you could much rather tap into people's psychology to drive better ideation. What does that look like in campaign idea format? So again, I've asked ChatGPT to generate 6 campaign ideas focused on empathy mapping research we've conducted. Here are some of the findings. Think and feel. People are overwhelmed by the variety of products claiming to be suitable for sensitive skin. What do they hear? They hear advice from dermatologists, skincare professionals. They see influencers or bloggers reviewing and recommending products for sensitive skin. Say and do. They seek samples or trial sizes to test the reactions before committing to a full-size product. And the pain is they fear skin reactions like redness, breakouts, and rashes. So you can see all these things need to be addressed with a certain type of messaging. So if you look at some of the campaign ideas, simplify your skincare education, create content that demystifies skincare for sensitive skin, offering clear, straightforward advice on choosing the right products without feeling overwhelmed. You can see how this taps into a lot of those emotions. Like, I know you've got sensitive skin, no problem. I'm going to make the offer clear here. I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do to not feel overwhelmed. Expert voices, dermatologist picks, promo, collaborate with dermatologists to feature the recommended products for sensitive skin. Again, build trust through professional endorsements. Your products, great for sensitive skin, being promoted by experts, it ramps up the value of your messaging and the impact by tenfold. In the spotlight, sensitive skin heroes, influencer collaboration. People want to see and feel confident with their decision. Try before you buy. Sensitive skin kits. Offer trial site version of your skin kits. A campaign around our samples. Your skin, your story. Qualitative surveys. Send out a survey asking people, they need to share their journey of finding the right skincare for their sensitive skin, other problems they have, success stories, other products they use. Great campaign ideas. No more guesswork. The Sensitive Skin Guide, a campaign around a comprehensive guide matching certain products with different sensitive skin types. So you can see all these campaign ideas are extremely impactful and pretty much focused around things we've collected as part of the empathy mapping exercise.